Hey, do you like cheesecake? We are going to make a lower carb, fast and easy cheesecake. You may ask how we're going to do that. Well, I didn't say it was low carb, I said it was lower carb. I'm going to use a regular graham cracker crust. I'm going to use the Cool Whip and the cream cheese. After I wipe my fingers off. Don't you just love cream cheese on your fingers, guys? And instead of sugar, we're going to use the KETO monkfruit sugar. That is keto. We're just going to mix it up. The whipped topping and the cream cheese are at room temperature to make it easier to work with. There you go, most of it off. Okay, now another thing that makes this a lower carb is the fact I'm going to use fresh raspberries. The original recipe calls for a can of pie filling, cherry, apple, blueberry, whatever you like. Well, raspberries are keto, so we're going to add them in here. And just stir it up. Go ahead and cut it for a second. That was probably 1.5 cups, 2 cups of berries. You can honestly use as much as you want. That just happens to be what I had on hand. It's berry season and we had fresh berries growing, so that's what we had picked. Okay, and then we're just simply going to get our pre-made graham cracker crust. Dump all the filling in there. And then put it back in the refrigerator for a couple hours to let everything set up. Because everything had been setting out. The Cool Whip was defrosted and the cream cheese was at room temperature. I'm sure you could probably find a recipe for a low carb substitute for a graham cracker crust. But guys, just to be honest, I didn't have time to look for it today. I went with what I had and made it healthier than the original version. But there you have it, guys. Just a lower carb cheesecake. Okay, let's take our cheesecake out. It's set up long enough to everything firm back up. Put this over here. I did save a few berries to go on top of this. So there you go, guys. A beautiful cheesecake. A raspberry, lower carb cheesecake. You know I gotta dive in. Get an extra couple of berries there. Cheesecake is one of my favorites. I don't think you can go wrong with a cheesecake. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on that next video.